Shit, yeah. So they gonna be a vlog, man. Life in Grand Valley, man. What they say? Life in Grand fucking Valley. We look goofy as hell right now, but fuck it, man. Let's get this shit. Bitch! Yeah. This bitch ready, y'all. Car's so fucking ready. My nigga Vern back there, man. Y'all see that shit out there in the thing.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
I fucked up big time. King County Sheriff is probably the worst police to run from. So what I'm gonna do is drop the camera and I'll be right back. Police right there. Fuck. We back. Shit, man. Nah, son got the gas up and shit. Get some gas. Whoop-de-whoop, all that. Nigga almost ran out of gas and shit. You know, typical daily shit in the charge. These bitches are fucking pain in the ass when it comes to this shit, bro. Motherfucker guzzle up 20 like it ain't shit. On the rush. Hurry up. You know, pin the car outside, y'all. Don't say shit. Don't say shit. We rolling out. We rolling out, y'all. We rolling out. Laker line. What's up, gang? All my Lakers. Fuck takes. Alright, y'all. So we currently getting a fucking tire and shit. You know what I'm saying? We got a car meet. We got a car meet. Fuck cuz, what you talking about in the back and shit. But we got a car meet. We got a car meet this week. First car meet and shit. We gonna see how this shit go, man. It's gonna be lit as hell. Yeah, bet dollars with it, man. What's this, the west side? Bro, what's this, the west side, bro?
Nigga, we on the fucking south.
On the south side.
South side.
South,
Three chairs, nigga.
Don't buy chargers, y'all. They take all your fucking money. I swear. I made this shit up. My second charger I had. Don't do shit, but take your money. Your money, your bitches, everything. Gracias. Make my shit straight, bitch ass nigga. Smoke a big doinks of Amish. Hey, you ain't dealing with us. Nah, Barry. Yeah, that's another day.
Why do you always pull that bullshit out? Get that shit out of my face, man.
Not too much. Not too much.
Bitch, you know I get back. Bitch got a BBL, fuck all them implants. But the bitch ass fat, I'ma let her get in. Pussy gushing, got her coming, screaming. Fucking on this porn bitch and she got 2 friends. Run around town with a fully loaded F in. Run through these stinking ass bugs with a thought that I was tired in. Come cops certified, it's gonna be tied in. Bad boys in my hair, now you can't get tied in. Fucking with the other side, pussy ass no drive. Got a Puerto Rican bitch doing lines, especially off the mid. Bad little bitch off the throne and she give head. We do our headshots, hell no, we don't hit leg. I give her back shots, go to sleep, do it again. Bust out the window with clips and extended. Hopping in traffic, position and
Yeah! Oh, shit.
It's at 12. Come on, we out this bitch, gang.
Watch out, Mark.
No man. This bitch going, keep going crazy.
Bro.
Ah! Over here, bro, fuck that shit. Damn.
It looked like everybody turning right, bro.
Yeah, fuck the next location then. Go ahead.
Let's go.
I'm starting to think that bitch was fake. Man, what? You got the C1 back here. They over there by my car too. Hold on, look at my car right there.
Dog, you know.
I wish you could do it, Mark.
He's dogging that bitch, bro. That nigga showing out. That nigga showing out.
Look at him. Mario, bro, we gotta get out there, bro. Mario can't do that shit, Mario. Hey, no, we ain't leaking. We just come park in the back, like
Bro,
where they spinning at.
tapping out, he
We got
almost
a
passed the
spot for
curve. Your nigga tapping out.
you. Hey, bro, where you at? I'm trying to get out.
Yeah, get your bitch ass out my car, bro.
Right in the trailer, like all the way back where you was at the first time. Look. Yeah, this bitch spinning.
There's too many files over here.
Yeah.
There's too many files over here, gang.
Take that bitch over. He ain't just gonna embarrass himself like that. He's sick. He's sick. He's sick.
Ain't he cute?
watch. Watch what he do.
Good on this bitch.
She thinks she smoking now. Took the bitch, heart ran away. I think she broken now. I got bread, I can't be loafing.
Oh shit.
Bitch, get the fuck out that truck. I'm trying to show the club. Club gang.
Trying to come back on the
Nigga don't need no
field. He ain't
practice.
giving
This
that,
nigga know
'cause
he
my
do
brother
it.
keep dropping
You
'cause
been watching
they
too much
locking my-
YouTube, bro. Tell you. Yes, sir. Hey. That bitch still pretty fast, bro.
When nigga Drizzy and I pulled up, man. They got that toy. Y'all gonna see this look at the car, so y'all see the Lambos on that bitch. They gonna like this bitch hard. This bitch hard, this here.
Huh?
Y'all see that shit?
That bitch clean too. You got it here, bro?